Modern automotive illumination technology has completely transformed nighttime driving safety, and the 2026 Renault Clio proudly showcases a highly advanced technological character entirely through its sophisticated and powerful lighting systems. Before thoroughly examining the striking visual elements, it remains highly important to explicitly detail the core mechanical specifications of this specific model, which features a highly efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged inline three-cylinder engine, effortlessly generating 90 horsepower and a solid 160 newton-meters of torque. This compact and responsive power plant is directly connected to a highly precise 6-speed manual transmission, giving the engaged driver complete physical control over exact engine revolutions and overall power delivery in all conditions. Based directly on the official manufacturer specifications, the vehicle successfully completes the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration sprint in exactly 12.2 seconds, while conveniently retaining an incredibly practical and spacious rear trunk volume of 391 liters for maximum everyday utility. Focusing intently on the exterior front design language, the entire front end is completely defined by the striking pure vision high-performance lighting signature that immediately catches the eye of any onlooker. The primary main headlamp units deeply utilize highly advanced light-emitting diode technology, featuring a remarkably slim and aggressive profile that seamlessly and beautifully integrates directly into the widened front grille and the deeply sculpted hood lines. These modern headlight clusters are not just visually appealing, but remain highly functional, utilizing multiple highly focused individual diodes to intensely project a brilliant white light beam that incredibly closely mimics pure natural daylight, thereby significantly reducing driver eye strain during exhausting long night drives. Located just below the main optical units, the completely redesigned and striking daytime running lights form a sharp, aggressive geometric shape that extends far downward directly into the lower front bumper, cleanly creating a visually wide and solidly planted stance, while drastically improving the critical aerodynamic airflow cleanly around the front corners of the heavy vehicle. Sitting inside the quiet cabin, the driver greatly benefits from this external hardware technology through an intelligent and highly responsive auto high beam assistant cleanly integrated directly into the sophisticated vehicle sensor safety suite. The forward-facing high-resolution camera securely mounted directly behind the interior rearview mirror constantly and vigilantly scans the dark open road ahead and automatically physically switches between the high and low beam patterns the exact moment it detects any oncoming traffic or bright urban street lights, completely removing any annoying need for constant manual driver intervention. Furthermore, the premium interior specifically features customizable ambient lighting strips that perfectly complement the highly modern aesthetic of the massive 10.4-inch digital instrument cluster and the soft-touch dashboard surface materials, creating a completely cohesive and deeply immersive technological experience seamlessly from the inside out. Looking closely at exactly how this advanced forward lighting setup directly affects pure driving dynamics, the sheer luminous power and massive width of the projected beam pattern comfortably provide the driver with a massive safety advantage on totally unlit rural country roads or winding dark mountain passes. The highly complex optical lenses located within the sealed headlight assembly are precisely engineered to distribute the bright light perfectly evenly across the rough asphalt, thoroughly illuminating distant road signs, crossing wildlife, and potential road hazards far earlier than any traditional yellow halogen bulbs ever possibly could. This vastly superior nighttime visibility directly translates into much safer fast cornering and heavily reduced emergency reaction times, particularly when carefully navigating tight blind bends or poorly maintained rural dirt roads late at night. Overall, the seamless integration of these high-performance forward lighting modules, perfectly combined with an aerodynamically optimized front bumper fascia and intelligent automated sensor control, creates a highly secure, visually striking, and thoroughly modern vehicle that truly excels in all possible low-visibility driving conditions.